Okay, hello. We're going to be looking at graphing rational equations in general form. The general form looks like this: y equals ax plus b over cx plus d. And truly, that just means that you've got some kind of polynomial for the numerator and another polynomial for the denominator. So we will start off with finding some of the key features to this thing. And the vertical asymptotes are one of the major features on this. Now, we found them previously just by using transformations of the parent function. But when it's in this general form where you've got polynomials both for the numerator and the denominator, you can't just use the transformations to do that. So we're going to start off looking at this one here. The example there. So the values of x that make the denominator equal 0 are going to tell you where the vertical asymptotes are. So in order to find those vertical asymptotes, you take that denominator, you set it equal to 0, and then you solve it, and you end up with an equation. It says x equals 2. Now that equation, if you were to graph it, would be a vertical line where the x is 2. So therefore, this function has a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. So if we look at the first example here, example number 1, our function is f of x equals 3 over x plus 5. So to find the vertical asymptote for that one, I need all the values of x that make the denominator equal 0. So to find that, I'm going to take my denominator, and I'm going to set it equal to 0, and then I'm going to solve it. Now to solve that one, using algebra, I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides of the equation to get the x by itself, and that would give me then x is equal to negative 5. So my vertical asymptote would be at x equals negative 5. Okay, now you try number 2, and then when you get the solution, answer the question on the Google form.